Hello and welcome back. Paulie here with Slaughter Food Creations. Got a great recipe for you today. It is my cilantro lime rice. It is super simple, packed with amazing flavor. You're not going to want to miss this. I love to pair it with my salmon in Chipotle Agave Glaze. Also, it's great with burritos, as you know, and other Latin American foods. So stay tuned and I'll show you what I do. Alright, let's get started here. It's a very simple dish, but I've got a cup of water here and I'm getting that heated up. It's on medium-high heat. I've got a cup of long grain white rice, and this is a basmati. You can use regular long grain if you like, but I prefer this myself. And I've got our chopped cilantro here, and I've got our lime, and I washed this the outside, and I've got a couple slices here ready to go. So I pre-wash my rice and I use a fine mesh strainer like so, and make sure it is nice and thoroughly cleaned, the rice, and the water runs clear when it is done. But anyway, I'm waiting on our water to heat up, and then we'll get this party started. Alright, once our water starts to come to a boil, we can go in with our rice, like so. Get our rice in there. Give it a little stir, and then we can go in with some kosher salt, like so. And what I do is I just go straight in with our lime slices, and I've got two, like so. I just go straight in with it, and same with the cilantro. We'll get it infused in our rice, both flavors, while it's cooking. And when I chop up cilantro, it's stems and everything. And I'll have the amounts in the description box below. Give it a nice stir. And then we're going to go ahead and put a lid on it, but we're not going to cover it completely. You want to leave some kind of air to escape. That way it doesn't boil over. But anyway, we'll let that go. Alright, it's been boiling away for 9 minutes, so at this point in time I turn my heat completely off, and then I put the lid completely down, and that way no air and no steam is escaping, and we let it finish cooking, and it'll take another 1 to 2 minutes. Alright, after about an additional 2 minutes, we can go ahead and take the top off. Gorgeous. And we can go ahead and get our lime pieces out of there, and you can see how the liquid is just cooked out of there. I'm going to try to leave as much of the cilantro in there as I can, but we'll remove that. I like how it just, that juice just comes right out of those, and you can see how the color has come out of that. But anyway, you know all that gorgeous, wonderful flavor is inside of our rice here. So anyway, we get rid of our lime pieces. We can fluff up our rice. You see how nothing's sticking. It's gorgeous. It's cooked 100% through and properly. So we got that. We can go ahead and plate it up here. Man, does that smell good? If you love cilantro and lime, man, it is good. Get everything out of there, all that wonderful goodness. You know it goes great with burritos. And it's just good with some beans. Also, if you check out my channel, I've got a link for some salmon and Chipotle Agave Glaze, and then I eat it and prepare it with this gorgeous cilantro lime rice. But there you go. perfect dish of cilantro lime rice. Super easy, loaded with flavor, and I guarantee you you'll love it. So stay tuned for next time. We'll see you next time at Slaughter Food Creations.